Hi, this is Shreya from Asianet, and today we have been joined by the star cast of Mirzapur 2, which is roaring on the internet, Harshita and Priyanshu. A very warm welcome.
Hi. Thank you for having us.
How are you guys?
I'm very good. I've been there's very good is also I think a very small word. I think I'm just trying to be calm, and though actually I'm just floating and being overwhelmed with all the response which has been coming in from past few days. Feels great. Yeah, it just feels great to be part of this Mirzapur world. It feels great to be part of this cast, and now this audience love which is coming in. Can't explain. It's beautiful.
Yeah. Harshita, how are you taking all the overwhelming response of the audience? It's incredible. Must be amazing to receive so much love.
Yes, it is. And also when you're too skeptical about, I mean, we obviously as actors wanted season 2 to work very well, but it's just that when people say that you've taken so much time and generally season 2 have not really worked for especially Indian series, and they're like, don't disappoint us. So in that scenario, when people are really liking it, and for some people it's better than one, it's just a different high.
Yeah. So before I begin with the Mirzapur questions, I would like to ask you guys that how was your lockdown? What all did you do at home? How much did you miss not being on sets, not going out, not meeting your friends? What all did you do? Starting with you, Priyanshu.
I think first month or first 2 months were very creative. ऐसा लगा कि चलो छुट्टी हो गई ये, let's just do lots of things. We became master chefs. We started doing everything, and you were. I think all of us were. Making this, making that, doing time pass online. I did some online plays though. I did some live plays online on Zoom and Insta. We tried to revive theatre. We kept trying to do some performances online. That happened. Then I had another very big release that time. I was busy with that. That got me some really good appreciation. But I think after 4-5 months, then it was like, ab ho gaya yaar. Ab how much do we sit in the lockdown? And thankfully, but we were safe. I was safe. I went home, and I was thankfully with my parents for some time when the flights opened. And I'm touch wood, and luckily now things are opening and our work is back. And I think all the industries should revive and get back to system. Yeah, but it was good. I mean, it was not bad and safe.
How was your lockdown, Harshita?
I had a great time. Yeah, it just probably a time where it actually gave you an opportunity to shut the chatter inside your head and tell yourself that it happened. So so I was actually doing a lot of meditation activities that I do. I did Vipassana alone at my place in a lockdown, and I'm so proud of it. Then obviously I also started cooking just to save my life, because I don't like cooking at all. And I also picked up this instrument, flute, which I started learning with. I always wanted to learn one instrument, and I got this time. So yeah.
Wow, wonderful. Videos. Did anyone of you watched Mirzapur season 1? Just like binge watched it?
I saw the first episode again, just few weeks before.
Okay. So starting with my questions, I would like to ask you, Harshita, first, that we saw the glimpse of Harshita Gaur for the very first time in Sada Haq. I remember binge watching that show every evening when I used to come back from school, and I just have that image of yours in mind. I'm 23. So I just remember that image of Sayukta Agarwal getting into clash with Randhir, and now here you are in Mirzapur. So how has the whole journey been? I mean, you became a very popular face after Sada Haq got released.
The journey has been really nice, but all in all, it also made me a better person from Sada Haq to Mirzapur that time, because I wanted to shift. After doing that show, I wanted to shift to a more definite structure of entertainment, which at that time there was no web, so it was only like either you do DV or you wait for films to happen, or that way. So in that journey, and thankfully web happened, and thankfully I'm grateful to be a part of a show like Mirzapur. So yes, the journey was quite one that was very enriching and learning experience, and also evolving as a person.
Yeah, wonderful. Priyanshu, you were a revelation in this season. I mean, the line that "ye bhi sahi hai," this expression that people are using a lot these days. So many memes, so many jokes, and in a good way and in a good humor. So, did you expect it to be such a hit? I mean, all these characters amid all of these big names in this series.
वैसे तो line is ये भी ठीक है, ये भी सही will become better than ये भी ठीक है, so we'll keep it to ये भी ठीक है because it is more like मेरे लिए line बड़ी important है. मैंने कहीं सुनी थी actually. I had heard this line from an uncle. It had always stayed in my mind. I try to observe people as an actor, and all of us do. We kind of try to take things from people. This line was always there, and especially the way he used to say it. He used to say it much slower than I did, or whatever I did with the line. Coming to this world of Mirzapur, when I was offered the role, I obviously had to take it as a challenge. And I think when you take something as a challenge and you have to be, I was nervous. You're in such a big, a league of these beautiful actors. They have built a world of Mirzapur. Season 1 was a massive hit. And now suddenly you're entering this world. So you're nervous, you're excited. But I think all these things combined, you give your best then. You try to get best out of you. And I have to thank Puneet and Guru and Mihir because the character was already there. It was so beautifully written. It's so beautifully, mysteriously led. I just had to add some more things to it. And then I think with me and Harshita, we've discussed so much how to build our romantic angle, my other scenes with Vijay, whether it's with Shweta. So it also helps with co-actors. Right? A character is only built by the team. It's not built alone. But definitely this line was with me because I said I have to add some catchphrase to this guy because otherwise you don't know what he is in his everyday life. He's a banker, but I mean that too, a black guy, but black money guy. But is he real? Is he not? Ye bhi theek hai is the reality of things. Like that is him in his purest form. And I'm so glad. I mean, people are just loving it, and it's like today anybody is around. People are just messaging me and saying ki, for our any day problem, we are just saying ye bhi theek. I said that's great. Sometimes that helps. Yeah. So I'm just overwhelmed, and I think somewhere we have built a great world and we've taken Mirzapur to another level. And we're just hoping now keep giving you guys better and better the next season as well.
Absolutely. How do you feel when you're just scrolling through Instagram and social media and a meme pops up which says "Ye bhi theek hai"?
I'm loving it.
I am loving it. I somehow have this proud feeling.
Yeah, no, I did not. I remember telling them during the shoot. I told Puneet ji and Guru, and I said, I want to put this catchphrase, and he was like, "Are you sure?" I said, "Yeah, let's try it out. Let's try it one scene, and we'll see if it works." And then every scene, Guru was like, "Where do we put this line? Where do we put this line?" We discussed, and then we used to put it. I said, "Ye hashtag banna chahiye." I remember telling them on the set that banna chahiye was my thing, but now that it has become, and I'm feeling wonderful about it. Yeah, I'm having fun, and I think somebody was telling me, some random friend, he's like, "Bro, don't share so many stories. Famous people don't share so many stories on their platform." I said, "What is this protocol or a rule? These guys are giving me so much of love, and the hashtag is gonna be forget the hashtag. If you're just I'm trying to even reply to any DMs, or if they're making any story about me, I'm gonna share as much as possible." I mean, that's the power of social media, right? That's the best thing about social media.
Absolutely, wonderfully put. Harshita, your character in this series is soft and yet powerful in its very own way. We would like to have a sneak peek of how did you prep for this character?
See, prep as in, I mean, I wasn't like Robin had this thing to put something in the character. For me, it was not like putting, because we are already in season, I mean, we've been shown in season 1, so it was not a new character introduction. The only thing was that we were talking it out with Puneet ji, and I had this discussion when I asked him that, so we were also discussing that even though that she can kill someone, and she's seen her brother's death, her friend's death, her reality is shifting, and she, in a way, she's with both of them, father and brother, and she's in a way not with both of them, because now whatever she's decided, she's purely decided from the point of view what she wants out of her life, how she wants to lead the life. So that's why we see her not being with anyone, because somewhere she thinks that where the brother has gone, it's very difficult to bring him back, and what father is doing will not fetch us anything. But this is my life, and I do not want to go the violent way, and I want to still have a normal life. And that's when also Robin come into her life, and for her, you feel that there's some normalcy going on. So yeah, nothing prep as such,
In
but of
fact,
course it's also in the mind.
I really like Dimpy in this season in the sense of, as she's also rightly pointing out, one layer which is added is her taking decision for herself and deciding कि मैं, I'm going to go this path, and that's the only thing. And that comes out through the relationship, and I really like her and mother's scene when she realizes that you come to speak to me just because of good behavior. Listen, don't do this. So she's got her own opinion. Like last season, I think she had the brothers and she had the father and everybody. This season, she's just going her way, whether it is taking up a hostel, whether this is my guy I like, I'm straight away getting him to meet my parents, or telling Guddu Bhaiya his own thing. So I think that suddenly takes a character to the next level.
Beautiful, wonderfully put. The chemistry between Dimpy and Robin was not that predictable in the season. I mean, audience did not know that something like that could blossom, amid all the rage and all the thrilling scenes of the series. So, how did you find the response that the audience are giving to this chemistry or this beautiful bond that has been showcased in a series like Mirzapur?
I think when people say that your chemistry brings out a little breather in the show, and I think when people say that we were just smiling looking at your scenes, the scenes that you had together. So maybe the whole violent world of Mirzapur, planning, plotting, manipulation, and all that, and you see that some transparency in terms of a sweet couple, and then that's a breather. So if people are liking that and it's bringing a smile to their faces, that's what we wanted. I mean, that's what really
the simplicity of this love story is also beautiful. As she's saying, because the world is so complicated and we've got so many characters doing so many things, these two guys just meet, they discuss about themselves, and there's a very simple love story which slowly builds. And my favorite scene is the library scene where we kind of see both their sides, and she's also pulling his leg. Until then they haven't confessed, or something's brewing. They also know, but it's great when they're pulling each other's legs and still trying to study, and he's and then that is when you see this side of Robin where he reveals his real name. So I think that slowly reaching a point in every scene was great, and I think I was just sharing it with Harshita. I think recently there's some music videos built on us. Suddenly now people have built some beautiful stories around us. So it'll be great. I think it feels wonderful, because as we've been saying everywhere that we were both scared initially. Will we have a graph in a love story? Will our love story really make sense in this world? Because it's one scene and then you're seeing the whole world. Then maybe in the next episode we come together in one scene, and then maybe one more scene together. So it's not together, right? It's not, the scenes are not back to back. And when an audience sees a scene back to back, they can relate to the graph. But हम दोनों वही discuss कर रहे थे, can we build a graph in a love story? Will people connect to a love story? But they are. I think they're loving it. The bike scene, I think, is a favorite.
I think my favorite is bike.
Everybody's been sharing that. Yeah.
I think my favorite is bike.
Wonderful. In Bhavesh Joshi, your character and your craft did get noticed. So somehow do you feel that even though the film did not do that well at the box office, so somehow do you feel that did help you a bit to have and to grab this impactful, powerful role in Mirzapur?
No, I think it's totally different. The two different worlds, the two different. As an actor, yeah, I mean, what happened with Bhavesh Joshi, which is, I think, going to be the most special film for me always, is because the kind of role I did there, and people started recognizing me and my craft, and also, more doors opened, frankly, to filmmakers start liking you, they start calling you. And so I think from Bhavesh Joshi things picked up definitely, and when today when it's online, when people watch these films online, it keeps growing. So thanks to OTT channels and everywhere, that today your work is not just hidden after a release. They still come out and people still watch it. And even today, I get Bhavesh Joshi fan art and things about it, and people keep messaging. But I don't think there is anything to do with me in Mirzapur. I think this is a totally different world. It is a process today, which is a great process that casting directors they call you, they audition you. The audition takes 2-3 rounds. It goes to the director, and they like you. We sit and chat, and then we get finally talks for it. Which is what happened even here. It's just that with good films and good performances, you're building your trust more and more to these casting directors, so you get called for better parts and some interesting roles to perform.
Absolutely, wonderfully put. So talking about the OTT thing,
can we wrap up, please? Sorry to interrupt.
Yeah, sure. Then I will just ask one question. Mirzapur 2 is getting applauded for its portrayal of powerful female-centric characters. Harshita, if you would like to throw some light on it.
Yeah, I definitely think all the female characters are really powerful. And when I say powerful, it does not really mean that you have to pick a gun in your hand and kill someone. And so that's also a form of strength. But even that strength starts from the inner decision that you make for yourself. And those decisions, the decision making that every woman has done in the show is the example of strength that's been portrayed, and that my writer wanted to put across. And I think that's fabulous because everyone has their own stand, and everyone wants. So that's the strength that every woman portrays here, and it's fabulous.
Wonderful. And the very popular question, how long do we have to wait for season 3? Because fans are going crazy and they just want to see another piece of thrill and excitement. So any spoilers, if you like to share?
We don't even know when season 3 is getting made or not made or however. But of course, right, people want, we also as actors and as audience purely would want season 3 to come out. But when is it coming? That so I don't know. Robin bata sakte hain shayad.
1 year, 2 year, 3, 4, 5. I think. I'll just ask my mom and I'll
That was actually, I was going to conclude with that only, that after watching a series like Mirzapur, people have that passion to say, janta hai mera baap kaun hai. But now people want to know who is Robin's mother. If you would like to throw some light, kab pata chalega?
Kab pata chalega? Haan, as I said, I'll have to ask her. Yeah, I'll have to ask her and then let you know, because it depends on her whenever she wants to reveal. So we'll let you know soon.
Okay, thank you very much for your time. It was wonderful speaking to you. And Mirzapur is roaring on the internet. We all are loving it and wish you all the success in future endeavors. Thank you.